What's going on, everybody? Maker Mods here, and I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving weekend. I was trying to post a couple videos, but I realized for one reason or another, things weren't working out. I've got the pieces of various projects kind of just scattered all around my desk. But then I got something cool in the mail today, or I got it yesterday, I suppose, and I wanted to just check it out with you guys. Yeah, it's changed from the spider code because I can't Spidey flick to save my life, but that's neither here nor there. I'm also trying something new out with my audio. This is recording directly into Audacity. But anyways, it's a cool little package. It's from Prometheus Lights. Now, if you guys know anything about the EDC scene, Prometheus Lights is kind of a legend. They're really well regarded. He's come out with a lot of really cool stuff like this flashlight, the Beta. I think the Alpha series was like their main, top of the line type series. But I wanted to look at this one because it's a little different. This one is a magnetic beta, and it was, very recently. He was taking some pre-orders, and I was like, a magnetic flashlight. What does that even mean? I think it's just that the button is magnetic, not that the lights are created through some use of magnets or something. But I thought, hey, I want a small flashlight, keychain light type deal, maybe for my wife or one of my daughters. And so here it is. What comes in the box? We've got a little USB cord, some extra O-rings, and you can see this, the Beta QRv2 Magnetic from Prometheus Lights. So it's really cool. So it automatically activates when it's removed from the QR. I don't know how to automatically remove it, but I'll figure it out one day. So I think if you just pull it off, it's supposed to turn on. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing there's no battery in it right now, or if there is, the battery's dead. It's a single mode light, and mine does not appear to have a battery. Oh, no, it's got one in it. It's a pale blue battery. And I guess, whoa, check that out. If it focuses in, so it says pale blue on it, but it's got a USB connector, a USB-C, and I guess that's what this is for, to charge the light. That is crazy. So I guess we can charge this thing using this USB connector or cable. So I am going to charge it up right now, and we'll take a look in a couple minutes. That is insane. Alright guys, so we're back again. Sorry I had to take some time to charge this battery. And I just want to say, this pale blue battery is really cool, honestly. Just the fact that, let's see if we can get the focus here. Yeah, the fact that this thing charges via micro USB. Sorry, I thought it was a USB-C, but when I went to plug it in, I realized it was actually a micro USB. But that's cool, either way. This little white ring right here, if you can see it, it turns red when you plug it in if it's not full, and then when it turns green, it's full. So we're gonna take another look at this Beta QR Magnetic. Let's put the battery in. Okay. And here we go. So it's got a single mode only, and I guess you pull this out, and we have light. Let there be light. Sorry, I don't want it to be too bright for you guys. And then I guess when it's already unplugged, if you want to turn it off, you're supposed to just turn something or another. I guess it's just a quarter turn. Let's see. If we look at the instructions over here, it says nothing. Well, I guess we can take a better look at this box, if this will focus in. Okay, it's got one brightness level, it's 40 lumens, 2-hour runtime, 25-meter throw, one AAA battery. It's a UGBCG04 emitter. It's got a 4000 Kelvin color temp with a 95 CRI. It's waterproof up to 1 meter, and it's impact resistant. So yeah, it's a little, nifty little keychain light. I'm looking for that tiny little manual that I threw somewhere. Seems to have gone missing. But anyways, yeah, so this is the Prometheus Lights Beta QR Magnetic. And I gotta say, I mean, it feels really good. So obviously you've got the the knurling or the grooves here for better grip. It's pretty small, but good for a keychain. Even when you twist this, it feels really good. There's no stiffness or I guess roughness when you're turning the light on or off. The only thing I have to say is a little, I don't know how I feel about it, is the magnetic portion actually. So plugging it in and unplugging it is kind of hard. I guess that's good for, to make sure it doesn't like fall off or whatever, but I don't know. I'm pulling really hard. And I'm not like a super strong guy by any means, but it is what it is, I guess. I like the finish. It's got it's a matte, I guess, burnt copper type finish. And apparently, I don't own any other beta, but it's a little bit shorter than the normal betas, and I thought that was really cool for just a really portable and pocketable light. So anyways, there you have it. This is my very, very quick first look review of the Prometheus Beta QR Magnetic. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, guys. Actually, what we can do, since I have my calipers just on me, is we can measure it out. The light itself is just under 3 inches, so I'm reading, 2.7 inches or so. Right? Let's see, a little longer actually. Light itself measures at 2.73. It's pretty bright. I like the color. And yeah, I gotta say, this thing's pretty cool. Anyways, so there you have it. That's my really quick review of the Beta QR Magnetic. Maker Mods, guys, thanks for tuning in to this really short video, and have a great weekend. Hope you have a great rest of your holiday season. Don't get too caught up in all the things that we have or that we don't have that we want, but rather let's take some time to think and appreciate the things that we do have. So anyways, guys, thanks a lot. Catch you guys in the next one.